KFC fried chicken tastes heavenly. You can pair it out with 11 herbs and spices to take it up a notch. The recipe for KFC fried chicken is no longer a secret. So, what you are waiting for? Stay with me till the end of the video to successfully recreate this delish delight. The ingredients required to make KFC fried chicken are buttermilk, chicken drumsticks, garlic powder, oregano, black pepper, paprika, thyme, basil, MSG, onion powder, mustard, celery salt, regular salt, ground ginger powder and white pepper. Start by marinating chicken into buttermilk for about 1 hour. In flour, add garlic powder, oregano, black pepper, paprika, thyme, basil, MSG, onion powder, mustard, celery salt, regular salt, ground ginger powder and white pepper. Mix everything well and keep it aside. Now take out the pieces of chicken and coat them with flour mixture evenly. Meanwhile, heat oil in a pot. Take each coated drumstick and fry them in oil with medium heat. Take them out on a napkin to soak excessive oil. Now again heat oil at high temperature and fry chicken till it gets golden crispy color from outside. And serve this KFC style fried chicken with your favorite dips and ketchup. Your KFC fried chicken is ready to serve.